Welcome, crypto fam, to the #1 daily Bitcoin pod. In today's show, we'll be breaking down the latest Bitcoin technical analysis as we're currently correcting him in the red, as well as SEC's Gary Gensler gets irked being asked about crypto, Mr. No Claire Gare. We'll also be discussing Robinhood preparing to fight the SEC in court over crypto, according to these latest revealings. I'll be breaking down for you, as well as breaking news. Argentine state-owned company will begin mining Bitcoin with stranded gas. That's what's up. Also, Susquehanna International Group adds $1 billion in Bitcoin ETFs to the portfolio. We'll also be discussing Fundstrat's Thomas Lee doubles down big on his Bitcoin prediction. In fact, he says his base case for this cycle is $150,000. I'll be breaking this down for you. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. All this, plus so much more, in today's show. Welcome, crypto fam.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Chris Klein, Crypto Surge, relaxing. Sorry for the time mix-up. My intention was to start the stream at 4. I was caught up, unexpected. I just got home at 6. We're still doing the live. Thank God. It's a beautiful sunny day, so it's not dark at 6 o'clock here in Puerto Rico today, like yesterday. Shout out to everyone out there holding it down. I appreciate ya. Shout out to Molly. Good to see you, family. McLovin. Greg, attention on deck. Cast off the lines. Batten down the hatches. Secure the missile hazards. Make the ship ready. In all due respect, let's freaking go. Time to collect. You know what I got to say to Peter Schiff?
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Ha! They ain't like us. Shout out Jennifer. Devon. Good to see you guys. What's poppin'? Again, thank you for holding it down. Much respect. We got a little correction. You guys were asking for a buy the dip opportunity, precisely what we just got. JV is so worth waiting for. Respect. Thank you.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Did you guys get to see the "they not like us" Bitcoin meme I created yesterday using this track, and I put some images to it? It starts out, "I see dead people," quoting Kendrick Lamar from The Thing, and it shows you a Charlie Munger starting off the clip. "I see dead people." It's hilarious. If you guys haven't checked it out, check out my Twitter or /X and make sure to retweet today's show. It's greatly appreciated. Psst. I see dead people. Ha ha. Holla, JV. Shout out Don George. Good to see you guys, for real. What's been popping? What I miss? Man, market corrected a lot today from this morning. You see Kendrick's disabled all copyright. Yeah, yo, that's why we could play the whole jam if we want right now. Genius move, by the way, because now every YouTuber and podcaster could be playing the joint over and over and over again. No copyright infringement. Respect to Kendrick. Very smart.
Aye, monster on the beat, ho, Depot, any rat nigga, he a freak though.
Yeah, you already know. Still waiting for the biddies, Jose. Crazy Frenchman, you people ready to buy the gold? Are you crazy? Who's buying gold? Shout out Mr. Bone Daddy, good to see you. Crazy French, what it do? Yeah, yo, you got to check it out. Check it out. Waiting on the biddies. Are you waiting for biddy to go lower? What do you mean by that? I'm happy about the sale on Bitcoin. Good. That means McLovin is stacking them sats. BS already bought this morning and should have waited. Yeah, we dropped even lower, but it's all good. You can't really time the bottom. We can just assume it's a good time to buy, considering the long-term trajectory, so don't beat yourself up, yo. There's never... The perfect, ideal time to buy is always going to be 2009. You know what I mean? So don't beat yourself up. Tune, JV. Ouch.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Love that sample. We're going to be playing it every day. I was able to not just get the full jam on here. Now I have all the sample clips that I like. Like wop, 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 wop. Mess them up. We live. You already know K-Jam. Shout out to the Rumble crew as well. We should be live on both platforms. Pump the like to pump the stream as we continue living the Bitcoin dream. Yes, a great time to be snatching up the cheap sats, following in the moves of the whales always. Piro de Berro in the house. What up, JV? Shout out L. Good to see you, bro. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, wish I had a soul train. Exactly, K-Jam. Precisely. Shout out Jenny. Who doesn't love Jenny? Just saying. Even Forrest Gump loved Jenny. He's like, Jenny. We need Lil Bubble to make a song off this. I know. I think he will. He's on top of it. It's like the hottest track being downloaded right now. So if he can make a Bitcoin mega mix with Ain't Like Us, I'm all over it. You already know. Shout out Lil Bubble.
Pump, 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 pump it up. They not like us. They not like us. Pump, 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 pump it up. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
If it's not going to 0, it's going to 1 million.
Yeah, I mean, they're not like us. That's for sure. Hit 60 and change, gets another rack. You got to do it up. Waiting for the big dip seems risky to me. I stack regularly regardless of the dip. Yeah, man. DCA, dollar cost average. That's what's up. Thomas, what is that? 61.5 on the ledge. So often that I installed a wet bar. There you are, JB. Was worried about you, big dog. I appreciate it, Eric. And again, I'll just bring it up one more time. My apologies. I assumed I would be home by 4 o'clock to start the stream. I'm running 2 hours behind unexpectedly. I've been caught up, but it's all good. All is well. We're here. I need to make another purchase of Bitcoin. Do it up, Devon. Do it up. But anyways, fam, let's keep it moving as we do each and every day. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, very important, smash that subscribe button to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. Also important to pump the likes. It helps pump the stream and helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Today is pod episode number 1633. It's May 8th, 2024. I'm your host, JV. And as you can see on that price action, Bitcoin is currently correcting on the day. So let's kick it off with our market watch and shout out to the entire fam. You can see Bitcoin down 2.5%, maintaining above 61,500. I feel the major psychological support is going to be at 60. So I hope we maintain, and I know 58 is another line in the sand. If we break below 58, we have the potential to hit the low 50s, but I feel if 58 and or 60 can hold strong, we'll be fine and we'll be recovered by tomorrow. So let's soon see. We also have Ether down 2.5%, trading back under 3,000. Solana and AVAX in the blood red, while Cardano and Jennifer's Tron is pumping and in the green. And check in now, coinmarketcap.com. We're sitting on a 2.3 trillion market cap with roughly 64 billion worth of volume for the past 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance, 53.6%, with the Ether dominance at 15.7%. And checking out the top 100 crypto gainers for the past 24 hours, we have Rune up 7%, Kaz up almost 4%, and Monero up 2.5%. Below that, not much of anything, as the majority of the market's correcting, unfortunately. And in the red, or fortunately, if you're stacking them sats and taking advantage of these dips. You know what I mean? BTFD alert. And checking out the crypto bubbles. Let's start with the daily visual. You can see virtually everything in the red and correcting, and zooming out on the month. Rex City. That's the price you pay when you're altcoining, family, but it is what it is. And checking out the crypto greed and fear index. We're currently rated a 64 greed. Yesterday, 68. Last week, the lowest we've been in a while, a 54 neutral. And last month, a 76 in extreme greed. We keep an eye on this metric because the higher this goes in extreme greed, the more likely of another correction. You know what I mean? But anyways, welcome everyone to the stream. What it do? Happy hump day. Best area to retire in Puerto Rico with beach access, good medical, and a good bar scene for over the 50 crowd. Are you asking a question, or are you telling me a city? Because I just saw this part of your question there, Nick. Let me know. DCA in the bear market is best. I do not buy right on. El Salvador here. Shout out El Primazo SV. El Salvador in the building. Yes, JV. Area to retire. Gonna do a major loot with 1.9 biddies. How we doing? K-Jam. Good to see you, broski. I like the name JV. Much appreciated. 150,000. Hard to believe, but nothing stops the honey badger. Molly, we don't panic sell, do we? We did our homework, and we don't scare easy. Amen to that. I'm buying every Bitcoin, top and every bottom, until I can't buy more. Love to hear that. You know what I mean? They not like us.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. You got to do what it do. California holding hard on the coins. Manteca, word up. Lin Tran, good to see you. Asking, brother, ready to leave this frickin' mainland. I don't blame you. My suggestion, come to the island, visit. If you're looking to relocate here, explore the different cities and areas. Honestly, Puerto Rico offers a lot. And, there's the Caribbean, more of the west side, if you're more into the beach life and more like separated from city life, or you can live on a beach near the city, you know what I mean, Condado area or Isla Verde. You can live in the city if that's what you want, just near the beach, maybe 5-10 minutes away from the beach. You can live in the suburbs and everything in between. So there's a lot of options. And what we did, me and my family before moving here, we visited, we connected with a realtor, and we said, show us some properties and some different locations, maybe in this area. And then you get the vibe and you get the feel. I don't ever recommend making a relocation decision without first visiting the actual, in this case, Puerto Rico for yourself, so you can get to experience it, right? It's always totally different in the flesh versus what you perceive in photos or videos. And I'm telling you that from firsthand experience. So looking forward to you coming out here, guys. Jose Felix, let's frickin' go. Mother effing Knicks basketball, baby. Did the Knicks win? Are they doing good? Are they still in the finals? What's going on? Clue me in. I don't really get to watch the NBA. They're definitely not like us.
They not like us. They not like us.
Ha.
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
I love this track. How's the weather in Puerto Rico? Rainy season, it's raining. It rained virtually every day this week. Rained a little earlier this afternoon, but right now it's a clear sky. Hence, it still looks bright in my room. If it's cloudy at 6 p.m., it's almost pitch dark, but beautiful day. Can't complain. So it's hit or miss, but overall, it's hot. So if you like hot weather, this would be the place to be. Hang on, kids. Bitcoin will be more than likely to continue to sell off. It's in a daily downward trending channel since the all-time high. Don't panic. 55Gs may be on the cards. Then a rapid rebound.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor.
Wow. Jennifer's also pondering moving to Puerto Rico. Music to my ears. I'll personally show you around because I appreciate you. So anytime you and the fam want to visit, we'll link up and I'll show you around. Like button smashed. Cheers to that, Jose. Oompa Loompa, JV. I got you with the Oompas.
Oompa Loompa Doompa-dee-doo. I've got another halving for you.
Whoa, another halving? We just had one like 2 weeks ago. JV, how's the humidity? Today it was strong. I'm not going to lie. I was in a suit all day, sweating my balls off anytime I left the AC buildings. So yeah, it's hot. I don't know if it's as bad as Florida humidity, but there's definitely humidity. And the temperature with humidity, I'm going to assume was in the 90s today. I didn't look it up. You can look it up. I'm assuming. In Argentina, let's go, Facundo. We're going to be discussing Argentina today, yo. Hello, Toronto. Vinny K, how it do? Rainy days can be depressing, but can be relaxing. I actually enjoy a powerful thunderstorm. I know I'm weird. Well, you'll love Puerto Rico, bro. Plenty of those. I love hot weather, says Molly. I could never live where it gets below 32 for more than a day. Hey, that's why you're my siski, because I feel that same way. Being born and raised in New York, I do not like the cold. I don't think I could ever do it again. I hate the cold. I'd rather be in a sauna than cold. You know what I mean? I actually appreciate the warm. So that's just me, though. Maybe I'm warm-blooded. When we get there, I will contact you. Sounds good. Feel free to reach out, any questions or anything as well. I got some connects here. I can probably point you in the right direction with anything you need. Orasan, 150K Novembre, hermanos. If you come here, you may have to pop out for a show and get on the stream with the fam so we can see you, unless you want to remain anonymous. Completely understand that as well. Greg, add in the rain and you're in the wet in the sun. Sweaty balls hot. Yeah, my balls is hot. My balls is hot, if you know what I mean.
I said empty your mind. Be formless.
Yes. Like water, my friends.
Man down, call like Amber Lambs. Tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross. He walk around like Tizo. What?
Woo.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Hacienda. Yeah, okay. You already speak Spanish, Jennifer? Because you're a step ahead of me. I think this will be a bull flag channel, 60-40, the next leg up. Let's go. Argentina mining the biddies. We're going to discuss that today, yo. They bought 1,200 units. Amen to that. JV, maybe I'm too bullish, but I really get the feeling Bitcoin's pulling back so it can just spring forward and shock everyone. That's right. If it takes 2 steps back, it's going to take like 100 steps forward. So welcome the pullback. It's all good. JV, yeah, it is. 59 in Idaho. That's pretty cold. Are you in Idaho, Devon? To me, that's freezing. You know what I mean? When I visit Florida in like December to visit my family, I'm always freezing. I got to bring the Bitcoin hoodie every time. Can't travel without it. Oh, my heart, I adore JV. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I adore you as well. Maybe it's a match. Grew up in Southern California. Yeah, I also speak Spanish. That's what's up. You guys, hey, from the UK, was a 20-cent day here today. What do you mean a 20-cent day? Oh, 20 degrees Celsius. Eek. Now, I'm assuming that's freezing, but I'm not even familiar with Celsius, so you got to tell me the Fahrenheit translation. Grew up in Southern Cali, so yeah, nice. Hot climate, rain is relaxing. Huddle inside. Hot rain, not so much. Right on, C-List. Welcome. Just imagine the crypto fam hanging out in the bar, enjoying life in Puerto Rico. Yeah, we could be at the beach club right now. Chilling, kicking it. 88 in Houston. Visit the Florida. Don't slip on the wet tile. 59 today. Anyways, fam, we got to get into this mofo. Nick says JV's relocation services. Stats accepted here. Yeah, the only difference is I'm not going to charge anyone to give you a little advice. I like to hook the people up. That's why I stream every day for 2 hours. So yeah, let's continue with this conversation, but I'm going to get right into our next story just so we can get the show moving along. Here's the latest Bitcoin TA. Headline reads, Bitcoin price clings to 62 G's, baby. As Bitcoin bulls suffer the post-halving boredom. Post-halving boredom. Haven't heard that one, but that's a good one. And speaking of 60 G's.
60 G's, baby!
Thank you, Connor. Anyways, as you can see here on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin eyed a test range lows May 8th as analysis complained of post-halving boredom. That's right. TradingView showed Bitcoin price momentum heading to 62,000 during the Asia trading session. Bitcoin managed a rebound beyond 65.5 a few days prior, and its subsequent 5% retracement left Bitcoin firmly in a range in place since before the start of the weekend. And also the daily close was 62,300, which left Bitcoin increasingly at risk of giving back more of its recent gains, which is precisely what we witnessed today. And quoting crypto quant analysts, any daily close below 62.1 or a prolonged inactivity counts as a stop loss. And we also have Mikhail Van de Pop, who expressed the following: Bitcoin slowly proceeds towards the lower boundaries of the range for the test of support. After that, it seems likely we'll continue the upwards grind. Boredom has started since the Bitcoin halving has taken place. They're not like us. They're not like us. They're not like us. Yeah, I'm referring to the bears. Just saying. Quoting crypto analyst Mustache, the last dips before Bitcoin starts the next leg, in my opinion. It has never been any different. If you look at the history, we're in 2017 or 2020. Great question. Deja vu, fam. Now, the upheaval in the crypto exchange traded fund sector produced mixed impressions of the current outlook. Grayscale, one of the operators of the new Bitcoin spot ETF, pulled plans for any Ethereum futures ETF products. That means we're not getting any approval, more than likely anytime soon, for the Ether ETFs, which means Mr. Gensler is probably not going to give the green light. The US-based Bitcoin ETF saw another day of the net outflows on May 7th, which showed passing $500 million of inflows. And we also have data sources showing that Farside confirmed the outflows to be 15.6 $7 million. And also quoting trader, TA Trader Allen, Bitcoin halving to halving increment. Check this out. From 2012 to 2016, 5,000% gains. From 2016 to 2020, the next epoch cycle, 2,000% gains. From 2020 to 2024, 800% gains. And the estimated gains from 2024 to 2028 are going to be 300% plus, which would take us greater than $200,000 per coin. Are you ready? He also says accumulate your Bitcoin and forget and come back 4 years later. Capiche? Capiche, big dog. And I mean, the chart don't lie. 5,000 first cycle, post-halving rally, 2,000% second post-halving rally, 800% third post-halving rally, and estimated to be 300% for the fourth post-halving rally. However, who knows? We could get a rally as significant as the third or the second. I don't anticipate another 5,000% rally, but I say we could see that of what we witnessed the previous two halvings if we get that deja vu moment. You just never know, family. But anyways, let me know your predictions, insights. I'll read those out loud. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, 56 acres sounds perfect. Not too big, not too small. My grandma's farm. Did you say 56 acres is not too big? That's pretty damn big. Laid back with my mind on my biddies and my biddy on my mind.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
ETH switched from proof of work to proof of stake. Exactly. That may be why they're deemed a security. Don't pass the Howey test. Much better getting out your own reasonable amount than trading. You'll do better than hodling. 100K CRO in my bags. Memes on, what is that? Kronos, do you mean? Going nuts? There is no second best. Bitcoin Bobby approved. The only crypto Bobby approved. Bitcoin.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Pump, pump it up.
Facts. So, anyways, fam, let's just keep it moving. Next story of the day. Welcome, Brandon, by the way, and Kelvin. Good to see you guys. Appreciate you in the chat. Keep the comments pumping. Next story, we're going to discuss Gensler getting irked. Well, I'll tell you this. Gensler,
they not like us. They not like us.
the SEC,
They not like us.
permabears,
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
trolls,
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
haters,
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
ishcoiners.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Having too much fun with that track. But anyways, yeah, SEC's Gary Gensler gets irked being asked about crypto. It's a funny word. Oh no, did he get irked? Good. Look at that photo of him being irked.
They not like us. They not like us.
The chair, No Hair Gare, appears to be getting fed up with answering questions about crypto, recently commenting he receives an outsized ratio of questions about it compared to traditional finance. Quoting him here, "Crypto is a small piece of our overall markets," he said, responding to a question. Gensler compared the 110 trillion market cap, or the market the SEC oversees, with the 2.4 trillion crypto market, claiming much of the latter doesn't even comply with the U.S. security laws. So it has an outsized piece of the scams and frauds and problems in our markets, quoting him here. And so thus you end up with like an outsized ratio of journalist questions and crypto journalists to market cap. Now, Andrew Ross Sorkin asked if the media's crypto questions are because that's where the SEC's attention seems to be focused, to which Gensler quickly rebutted, "It's a function of where your attention is," quoting the chairman here from that interview. Crypto is just a small piece of our overall markets, but it's an outsized piece of the scams and frauds and problems in our markets. Now, he also said, think about it. I have been on your show, a dozen times, and every show you asked about crypto, said the SEC chairman. My guessing is this will be a majority crypto interview, while the capital markets are 110 trillion. So it is also where the financial media is focused. So ironically, he's trying to tell us, don't ask me anything regarding crypto when we're overseeing a $110 trillion market, because you don't want to talk about crypto. You don't want to give any clarity obviously. Gensler then evaded back-to-back questions. I'm not surprised. The first on the SEC's well-noticed Robinhood, which alleged its crypto listings and custody services violated security laws, saying he can't speak to any one company. He claimed investors weren't getting the required or needed disclosures about crypto, and that many of those tokens are securities under the law of the land, as interpreted by the Supreme Court. Now, Coinbase's legal chief officer locked in a legal fight with the SEC and told Gensler to please stop misleading the market. Tokens are not securities, and their pleadings, notwithstanding your own attorneys, have admitted this in court, he shared. Gensler also dodged answering if Ether was a security or not, and if the SEC would approve a related ETF, only saying that those filings will take up the appropriate time by the 5 SEC commissioners. So yeah, no Claire Gare doing what he does best, providing zero clarity to the crypto investors in the market. Gensler also defended against House Financial Services Chair Patrick McHenry's allegation that has misled Congress when he refused to answer questions on the SEC's classification of ETH, quoting him here. "We don't speak about whether we have an investigation," he said. "We don't speak about whether somebody is, in our opinion, not following the law unless we actually bring a case." McHenry claimed Gensler's refusals were an intentional attempt to misrepresent the SEC position, and citing a consensus April lawsuit against the SEC that alleged the regulator planned to regulate ETH as a security. Gensler argued that he tells Congress accurately what we're doing. Quoting him again, "We stay quiet on many questions that you might ask at this live interview or even in a congressional hearing. Obviously, Gary, you don't answer anything." The SEC filed 6 crypto-related lawsuits already this year. It brought 46 enforcement actions against crypto firms last year, and a 10-year high, and over double the number in 2021. And at least a dozen court cases launched by the SEC are still working their way through the U.S. courts, with many defendants pinned on allegations they sold unregistered securities and operated illegally. So that's Gary Gensler for you. I'll tell you one thing.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Amen. Unlike every prior Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin hit the all-time high weeks before. Bitcoin has never had countries, nations, empires, pension funds, ETFs, all going. Hang on tight. It'll be epic. Word up. Cheers to that. I can't count the times I have surfed in Cali, Florida, and Mexico. Oh, wow. Molly is a surfer. There's my kisses, says Darth Melda. Welcome, family. Good to see you. How you been? Gary needs to get laid and back off of Bitcoin.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
JV, I have 100% fact for everyone all the time. All the trolls that come in here 15 years from now, Bitcoin will still be number one and be here. Who knows if Ethereum will be here or Solana? Facts, Serge. Facts. ETH, don't care. Why? Because there is no second best. Good point, Thomas. Gensler just needs to get laid. He'd be much happier if he was. Jennifer.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff.
Don't sleep on Cospa, fam. Isn't Gary the name of the snail on SpongeBob? I never watched SpongeBob. It always creeped me out, but more than likely, I would assume you're accurate. I use the short board. Is that similar to the short bus? Ethereum going.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Gonna see my girl's boy in choir tonight. How precious, yo. Have fun with that. I'm happy for him too, yo. Respect. My daughter's in choir. I'm looking forward to her performance on the 15th in a few days. Gary already said everything, but Bitcoin is a security. Exactly.
Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Shout out Ali Rizzo. What it do, broski? Cool cat coding. Gary already said it. Word. Everything but Bitcoin is a security then. It's official. Ellen, welcome. Gary Gensler was mentored at MIT by Glenn Ellison, Caroline Dat. I know. No, I don't believe in coincidences. Good point. JV, can you buy a membership via YouTube app? You should be able to, regardless if you're using the app or on a computer. It shouldn't matter. There should just be an option. If you want to purchase a membership of the channel, it'll say join next to subscribe. If you're talking about how to get the premium membership of YouTube, it may be in the settings or something. I'm not sure. Someone said surfing or love surfing and fishing. Word up. Yeah, yo. You're very welcome.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Precisely, Kendrick. Anyways, next story of the day, big news with Robinhood, in which Gensler didn't want to address, obviously, in that interview. Robinhood prepares to fight the SEC in court over crypto. Here's the latest developments. Retail trading platform Robinhood Markets revealed Monday that it received a Wells notice from the U.S. SEC in regards to its crypto biz. This indicates that the securities regulators is planning to bring enforcement action against the company. Their CEO took to X to share his thoughts and plan following the notice, quoting him here. Over the last 3 years, we have reached a state of regulatory onslaught that is harmful to the American companies and consumers. The SEC's continued attack on crypto, coupled with the recent rule proposals, like the one related to predictive data analytics, marks yet another improper attempt by the administrative state to stifle innovation, according to the executive. He also said, while we strive to maintain positive and productive relationships with our regulators, if necessary, we will use our resources to contest this matter in the courts with the intent of both defending our crypto business and establishing regulatory clarity in the U.S. for the benefit of our customers. The SEC has taken an enforcement-centric approach, as we all know, to the crypto industry, contending the majority of crypto tokens are securities and must adhere to its regulations. Meanwhile, crypto firms have accused the regulator of exceeding its authority, quoting the Dan Gallagher of Robinhood. We firmly believe that the assets listed on our platform are not securities, and we are looking forward to engaging with the SEC to make clear just how weak any case against Robinhood could be. And that's according to their corporate affairs officer over at Robinhood. In recent legal actions, as we know, the SEC filed many lawsuits against multiple crypto firms, including Coinbase, and they just go on. And responding to the post, we had the Coinbase CEO, Brian Armstrong, who expressed the following: the courts will help get clarity, but the right solution longer term is we need to elect pro-crypto candidates. Amen to that. That's going to be very difficult, especially in the United States, where they're anti-crypto as far as the government is concerned. Just saying, Bitcoin separates the money from the state.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Thank you, KJam, for dropping the membership link in the chat. That is correct. If anyone wants to support the show by becoming a member, you can do so clicking that link, and it's only like $2.97 a month. You can join the HODL gang. I think it's $4.97 a month to join the MicroStrategy, and we have a membership as high as the Satoshi level. Be sure to check it out. The more you fight the biddies, the more you will lose. This is fact. You only make it stronger. I love the ocean. Soon, maybe after the cycle, I will make a big move. Word up, Serge. Don't do rugs. Precisely, don't do the rugs. Stupid carpet fluff everywhere. Maybe the SEC should be looking at banks. Yeah, start there. Do that. Exactly. Go after JP Morgan Chase. Go after the Fed. Has the Fed ever been audited? No. I wonder why.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Shout out Coos Dog. How you doing? Good to see you, broski. Welcome, y'all just joining the stream. I know it's a late stream for you guys. Late stream, midway through the week, though. We got a nice little correction. Good time to be stacking them sats at a discount. That's always the silver lining when we dip. Down $1,800 discount on the day. Not too shabby.
Up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton. The industry can hate me. Fuck them all and they mama.
Woo! Buying dips and stacking of chips. There you go, Mr. White. Holla, holla. Coos Dog, where you at? Good to see you. I am Alden and my carpet has knee rashes. Oh, low blow.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Yeah, Bitcoiners, this is our anthem.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff.
Anyways, Joe, I guess we'll go to the next story. One more comment from Jennifer. 4 major banks and many regional banks are on the verge of install. Exactly. Bitcoin to the moon. Amen to that. We know it's a coming. So yeah, here's the big breaking news out of Argentina. And shout out to the Argentine fam. I know we got some Argentines here. Argentine state-owned company will begin mining Bitcoin with stranded gas. Yeah. Genesis Digital Assets Limited, we're going to refer to as GDA, a leading force in the global Bitcoin mining sector, partnered with YPF Luz, a subsidiary of Argentine state-owned emergency company YPF. Together, both partners established a new Bitcoin mining facility, which capitalizes on an innovative energy resource, which is stranded gas from the oil fields. That's right. This facility, situated in Rincon. Oh, interesting. There's a city in Puerto Rico I visited a few weeks back on a vacay, which is a beach town on the west side of the island called Rincon. But anyways, this is Rincon in Argentina, Rincon de las Sauces, in the province of Neuquén, is designed to transform what otherwise would be waste into a powerful energy source from high-intensity computing processes associated with the Bitcoin mining. The facility operates with a total power capacity of 7 megawatts, supported by an additional 1 megawatt of backup power, housing 1,200 Bitcoin mining machines. Not too shabby. It is powered by the Bajo del Toro thermal power plant, collaboratively managed by the YPF, Norwegian energy giant Equinor, and YPF Luz. That's what's up. They already got 1,200 Bitcoin mining machines. The energy for this mining operation comes from stranded gas, natural gas that is liberated during oil extraction, but not captured for sale or distribution, typically because it is not economically viable to transport it from remote or marginally productive fields. Now, stranded gas usually poses a disposal problem, often being flared into the atmosphere, contributing significantly to the greenhouse gas emissions. The new facility's approach not only prevents this environmental harm, but also uses the gas to generate electricity. Say win-win, effectively making productive use of the previously wasted resource. Very smart. And according to the recent studies, including a working paper from MIT, the repurposing of methane through techniques like those employed by GDA can reduce carbon dioxide equivalent CO2 emissions by between 25 to 63%. This is critical because methane is a potent greenhouse gas responsible for about a third of the current global warming, and so they say. I digress. Now, the executive president and founder of GDA emphasized the project's environmental and operational advantages in the statement, quoting him here. The opening of our first data center in South America is an important step in our geographic diversification efforts. This will yet buy another opportunity to show the world that Bitcoin mining can have a positive effect on the environment and can be fully integrated into the local communities. Now, here's the strategic implications for Argentina and beyond. Argentina presents a unique landscape for such endeavors due to its substantial energy resources, favorable political climate, and a strong crypto ethos amongst the population. The country has been experiencing high inflation rates, unfortunately, which has increased the local populace's reliance on crypto as a hedge against the economic instability. Now, the CEO of YPF also noted the project's strategic fit with Argentina's energy policies. Quoting him here, this project with GDA allows us to bring YPF and Equinor, two companies committed to reducing the carbon footprint to their exploration activities and adaptable and sustainable flare gas use solution. The project also marks a significant point of expansion for GDA, which operates 20 industrial-scale data centers across North America, South America, Europe, and Central Asia, further cementing its position as a major player in the Bitcoin mining industry. They currently have a total power capacity exceeding 500 megawatts globally and continue to drive innovation in the integration of renewable and waste-derived energy sources into the Bitcoin mining sector. So respect. I think it's a beautiful thing. Like I said, a win-win when you're using something that could be harmful for the environment and somehow using alchemy, right, to mine some Bitcoin with it. Win-win. Everyone's a winner. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 0.0004%, and humans are responsible for 3% of the 0.0004%. Thank you, Jennifer. You're all still here. Yay. Of course we're still here. Yo, what kind of question is that?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Look at that. And they say Bitcoin is for criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering tax avoidance. Shout out Lock Sky. We need to power the Bitcoin mining from cow farts or somebody's bathwater. I'm not going to mention the name. Stranded Gas is a great band name. Oh, for real? Literally? Stranded Gas. Who names themselves that? Interesting. Darkness, my brother. Welcome to the stream. Broski. Was popping, was good. Good to see y'all.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
I can't believe your wife put her bun in a... Oh, I'm sorry. Her bun in her hair in a bun. K-Jam. So random. Currently 25% of the 400 ppm from the human activity. Smash the like if you love, respect, and enjoy being with JB as much as I do. Appreciate it, Molly. Thank you, guys. Yep. Thank you for that article resource, K-Jam. Exactly what we just referenced. Good morning, Melbourne, Australia. Shout out Melbourne and Aussies. Welcome to the stream. Sounds like a rock band. More than likely. Stranded Gas. Standard Gas. Stranded Gas. Gas. That would be Sticky. What are you referring to there? Wop. You got it, DJ.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. Diddy. Drake. R. Kelly.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Wop. No bath water or the fart jars. Hey. Never say never. Hit the likes. I am in Colombia, mi hermano. Cheers to that, Kuz Dog. Appreciate it. Shout out my Colombian fam. Shout out Medellin, my old stomping grounds. Spent 6 months there, long time back. I'm the kiss of death with the black nails and sparkles, says K-Jam. Dressed in all Bitcoin gear. Now chow. Oh, word? The now chow? Anyways, yeah. Next story of the day. We just discussed Argentina, so let's get to the $1 billion in this Bitcoin ETF, which was just referenced by K-Jam. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's Susquehanna International Group added $1 billion worth of Bitcoin ETFs to their portfolio, yo. That's right. According to their 13F HR filing yesterday, May 7th, quantitative trading firm Susquehanna International Group purchased more than $1 billion worth of shares of Bitcoin ETFs. In the first quarter of this year, the firm disclosed that the SEC ownership of 17 million shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust with a market value of roughly $1 billion as of March 31st, 2024, and additionally reported owning 1.3 million shares of the Fidelity Wise Bitcoin Origin Fund, valued at roughly $84 million on that same date. Moreover, the firm increased its stake in the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which gives investor exposure to Bitcoin future contracts. And according to investment research firm Fintel, they owned almost 8 million shares of BITO as of March 31st, valued at roughly $250 million, up 57% from the February filing that listed 5 million shares. And a quick shout out to Lock Sky. I greatly appreciate you gifting 5 memberships of the channel to the following fam, including Molly, Facundo, Worky, Celis, Kevin, Smith. You've all been blessed and hooked up with the MicroStrategy membership of the channel on behalf of Lock Sky. So show Lock Sky some love in the comments. And again, thank you, Lock. That's very kind of you. The company had indirect exposure to the Bitcoin spot price through MicroStrategy, which currently holds 214,000 plus biddies on its balance sheet. However, they reduced its stake in MicroStrategy by nearly 15% during this portfolio rebalancing from 287,000 shares in February to almost 245,000 shares on March 31st. So overall, their crypto allocation represents a tiny fraction of the trading firm's portfolio, which ended the first quarter value at more than $575 billion. Good Lord. And amongst the company's top investments are NVIDIA, go figure, and the index-tied SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. And in addition to the Bitcoin funds, their new holdings for the past quarter include shares of the convertible bonds from Convertible Zero, bonds from NRG Energy, and preferred stocks in Able Marley Corporation. Now, the Bitcoin funds are increasingly being used by trading firms and financial advisors to gain exposure to digital assets. In April, Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF secured $40 million from two traditional financial advisors, Legacy Wealth Management and United Capital Management at Kansas. Each fund invested $20 million into FBTC, joining the fund's top shareholders. The advisors are popular amongst a significant population of baby boomers who are a sizable share of the country's wealth. We also have Legacy Wealth Management managing assets exceeding $359 million, while United Capital Management of Kansas oversees more than $436 million in assets. So there you have it, yo. Another one bites the dust. Another Billy added to the portfolio worth the Bitcoin ETFs just in the first quarter of this year. Let's freaking go. Hey, JV, how's your day, brother? Shout out DNA. I am at work, stacking them stats and watching the greatest show on the tube. Love you, brother. Respect, and thank you for tuning in. Much love. They found a dead worm in RFK Jr.'s brain. Are you being serious? A dead worm? Maybe we all have dead worms in our brains. That would explain the zombie apocalypse. Crazy. When it's 150,000, the timeline, according to him, we're going to be discussing that. That's his base case. Thomas Lee, our feature story of the day. We'll be getting right into it within the next few minutes, but I want to kick it here in the chat because I just appreciate the interaction. Cheers, salute, and all that good stuff. They're into the Bidias and NVIDIA. They are like us.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Precisely. F these bears. They're not like us. Wop, 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 wop.
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
I read that as a dead woman. Huh? I don't get that one. Yes, they did. Not fake news. He has a worm in his brain. Oh, that's sorry to hear. Like, what's the strategy there? How do you remove the worm out of your brain, for Christ's sake? Jesus. Did you see cannabis got reclassified in the U.S.? I heard some rumors. Did it actually turn into fruition? Is it finalized? Is my question. If so, God bless them. Remove all the people who have been to prison or are currently sitting in a prison cell because of cannabis in their possession. I think they should decriminalize it as well. They should have did that decades ago, for Christ's sake. Should have never been illegal to begin with. Probably blame the tobacco companies and the pharmaceutical companies. They're probably the biggest enemy of the cannabis, if you know what I mean. Hey, JV, would you be gifting scripts today? What does that mean, gifting scripts? If you meant memberships, no, I can only gift 10 memberships per month, which is the limit on my account. So we usually do that typically the first of the month or the very beginning of the month. And I know we gave out 10 the other day. So until April, I can't give out any. However, sometimes, like you just saw, Lock Sky just gifted 5 memberships. So stick around. You never know. You might get blessed. Yeah, my base case, Bitcoin liquid index. Bitcoin always hits 2 fib levels post-halving, says Greg. The 1.14 fib sits at 350. End of the year, the 1.2 fib sits at 2.8 million. Entirely possible before the next halving. I appreciate you sharing. It's okay. It's a dead worm. Oh, thank God it's dead. In a cannabis worm in the brain like Neo from... Yeah, exactly. Those things were creepy. They just crawl in your brain. U.S. banks can now own Bitcoin. The bill just passed. Nice. Only a matter of time, bro. Hitting the CBD vape pen. Amen to that. Tequila, mezcal never ate the worm. Prescription drugs seem more harmful than the weed. Facts. Because here's the thing. Weed or cannabis should never be referred to as a drug. What'd Cat Williams say? Drugs, you got to mix it, chemicals and cook it on the stuff. I'm not saying I know the formula. I'm just saying cannabis is a plant from God. You know what I mean? It's like hooking us up. If it was up to God, in my opinion, we wouldn't have tens of thousands of these pharmaceutical drugs. They'd just be replaced with cannabis because cannabis is multifaceted. It can do so much. It can change the world, starting with the population, if you know what I mean. I truly believe this. God hooked us up. He gave us God's little helpers as well, which, according to Terrence McKenna, are the psilocybin shrooms. We got everything we need. We don't need big pharma, but big pharma will dupe you and poison you and profit from you in the name of eugenics. I'm on the tube. I digress. But you see where I'm coming from?
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
This one's dedicated to Bill Gates.
Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us.
Oh, yeah. I got to be careful. Here comes the God candle. Yeah, Big Pharma is no good, but they're like the biggest sponsor of this platform, so I got to be careful. I got to be freaking careful. They have insane wealth, if you know what I mean. Yeah, flashback to McKenna. Rest in peace for real. That side eye. Did I give you the side eye? Drugs are bad. Give them to me. Doritos and Spam is worse for you than the weed. Facts. Doritos will kill you. Take one too many Advils, you never wake up again. I'm paraphrasing Cat Williams, one of my favorite comedians, but that's fact. What happens if you smoke a little too much cannabis? You get the munchies or you fall asleep. At least you don't die. You know what I mean? Or, I'm sorry, at least you don't get unlived. What happens if you swallow a whole bottle of aspirin? You never wake up again is what happens. You smoke a little too much cannabis, you get the munchies. I mean, come on now. Anyways, fam. Now for our feature story of the day. According to Fundstrat's Tom Lee, Bitcoin base case for this cycle is $150,000. So let's break this baby down. Headline reads, Fundstrat's Tom Lee doubles down on a big Bitcoin prediction, says the risk reward for the stock market, still pretty good. That's right. The chief executive of the market insights platform, Fundstrat, is reiterating that Bitcoin will post massive gains this year, despite its choppy price action for the past 6 weeks. In the new interview on CNBC, Tom Lee says Bitcoin's bull cycle is far from over. Amen to that. According to Lee, Bitcoin and other asset classes have not yet agreed that the Fed is shifting to a looser monetary policy. Quoting him here, Bitcoin is still very early in the let me reiterate. Bitcoin is still early in an upcycle. So the idea that it can get to 150,000 this year is still within our base case. Even better, he's calling for 150,000 this year as a base case. Now, I think it does help that the Fed is reiterating that its view on inflation and being relatively dovish is more dovish than where the market is. So I think that's the process of why the markets are recovering. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analysts. And looking at the stock market, Lee. Now, anytime I see the word Lee, for some reason, I'm like, in my mind, I go back to like Rush Hour throwbacks. I think that was Jackie Chan's name. Chris Tucker referred to him as. Correct me if I'm wrong. Lee. But anyways, sees more publicly listed companies printing solid earnings growth this quarter. Also highlights that the market conditions look bullish with trillions of dollars still waiting on the sidelines. Now, quoting him here from the interview, to us, earnings growth is accelerating. Quarter one earnings are up 7%, but three groups are down 20%. Energy, healthcare, and materials. Energy and healthcare flip to positive next quarter, so the earnings growth hits 11%. We know there is a lot of pent-up demand, capital spending is picking up, and the ISMs are turning up, and there's $6 trillion in cash on the sidelines, and people have been cautious for more than 2 years now. I think the risk reward is still pretty good. And to watch the interview he gave on Squawk Box or CNBC here, check the show notes below the video in the description. And let me know if you agree. Do you think with Bitcoin, the risk reward right now of where we're at in the market, considering we just had a halving of 2024 2 weeks ago, roughly on 420, happy 420, do you think the risk reward is still pretty good? And I'll chime in there. I think it's fantastic because the risk, what's the risk right now? How low can Bitcoin potentially go from here? Nobody knows, but according to history, this is the most bullish time of the 4-year cyclical cycle. So we're more likely to pump than we are to dump if we can visualize moving into the future. You know what I mean? Which is the only direction time takes us. So thinking about that, I think it's a definite no-brainer risk-reward ratio. I think the risk at this point, I don't even see Bitcoin ever going back down under 50,000. Right now we're at 61,000. That's the risk, right? In my humble opinion, not investment advice. But on the flip side of that coin, pun intended, the reward We can go up 300% as predicted earlier on in the show. We can go up multiple hundreds of percent as Tom Lee is predicting in his base case for this year in 2024. So if your risk is what, 20, 30% or less of a correction and your reward is multiple 100%, no brainer. Where else are you going to park your capital? You know what I mean? HODL, be thy name. And at the end of the day,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Precisely. They're not like us. So you already know, bullish time of the season. Very, very interesting times amongst us. We're on the cusp of a revolution, which has been happening, but it's accelerating, right? Faster than ever as fiat currency continues to be devalued, right? And that's why you see these crazy Bitcoin prices. And Bitcoin will continue to increase in purchasing power. There's the scarcity of the halving. There's the scarcity just built into the protocol, being there's a finite limited supply. And now we have the game theory from the major asset managers via the ETFs, the nation states, the empires, the sovereign wealth funds. And they say there's 2,500 billionaires on the planet. Well, that's not really a lot of Bitcoin to go around for those billionaires, is there? Right? How many companies are on the planet? I'm going to assume millions. How many companies can pull a Mike Saylor? Not many. Mike Saylor has 1% of the Bitcoin circulating supply. Hypothetically means only 100 companies max if nobody else owned any Bitcoin on the planet, including retail, wanted to get a position like they have. How many other companies or asset managers are going to be able to stack 300,000 Bitcoin like BlackRock just did in the past 4 months? Not many. There's only a handful because we're going to run out of the biddies. There's going to be a supply shock. Price goes up. You know what I mean? That's just the nature of the beast. The Bitcoin beast, if you know what I mean. Meanwhile,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
So what do we do to the haters and everyone saying Bitcoin is a Ponzi and it's going to zero? This is what we do.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Peter Schiff.
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Warren Buffett.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Bill Gates.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. These wealthy entities out there making Saylor look like a shrimp. One of these. Precisely. Like for real though. There's so much wealth on the planet. Gensler were just talking about they have, jurisdiction over, what do you say, $100+ trillion of the market, ignoring all the crypto questions. Ask me about these other markets. Collectively, there's probably over 900 trillion worth of wealth on the planet, maybe even more. And considering crypto collectively is less than a 3 trillion market cap, Bitcoin's like a 1.2 trillion market cap. It just shows so much room for growth and how early we truly are. And quoting Mike Saylor from yesterday's episode, he said, the reason most people don't get Bitcoin yet is the reason it's going to 100x. If we go to 100x, we're talking 6 million plus per biddy. Per biddy. Let that sink in, yo. Laugh at them, but leave them a big tip. Are we sure they not like us? No, I'm facts. They not like us. Haters are completely irrelevant to us. Exactly. Because when it comes to haters,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Ish coiners.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
No coiners.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Fiat lovers.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. With my rattling feathers, we rattle together. The battle's forever. Would you like fries with that? Precisely. The haters are completely irrelevant to us. Tell them Expose Sean. Cheers to that. F the haters. We replaced the haters with regulators. Mona. I got to sample that one next. That was one of my favorite tracks as a kid. Regulators. Agree, JV. Be feeling it. Thank you, Kevin. Money has always been about the question, who works for whom? And with Bitcoin, the game will be reset on the global. The global reset is amongst us. In the eyes of the government, the global reset is the CBDCs in a cashless society. Now, the global reset to the Bitcoiners is Bitcoin becoming a world reserve currency and hyper Bitcoinization. Want to know why?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Politicians.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Suits such as Jim Cramer.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
These other podcast
They not
hosts.
like us. They not like us. They not like us.
These other crypto shows.
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
Never gets old. JV, never forget, you know how to pump it up? Facts.
Pump it up if your game and went long. When the dip hit, you just stay like King Kong. More than 5 sats in your stack, then get it on.
Haha, here's the original dedicated to Jennifer.
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Precisely. You don't see me quoting Drake here in the samples, right? Kendrick destroyed him. That one track, it's going to be hard for him to recover, in my opinion. But don't get it twisted. I give Drake an E for effort. His tracks are also actually pretty lit. I was listening to the 10 tracks all together from the start of the beef. I'm enjoying the battle. I think it's enhancing hip hop. Obviously, battling is a part of hip hop culture. Without it, it's the essence. You know what I mean? It's the essence of hip hop, battling culture. And I kind of missed it. And this just resurrected me back into the scene because I haven't been paying attention to hip hop or anything trending. I just have my old school jams I'd always love and play and sample. But now it's like, word, this is actually pretty lit. They're going for each other's throats. And that's what it should be. If you're beefing on a track, it should be beef in real life. You don't play beef. You know what I mean? Because ish happens when you're beefing. People get shot and killed and things of this nature, like real talk. Fine, let those haters stay with CBDC. This way, we fam stay stronger. Amen to that. What do we call them folks that hold fiat as a store of value? I mean, good question. Valid.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
Not on this channel.
People that use fiat currency.
What do we call those folks? Don't be shy now. I just worry about the rap battles where they end up. I know it is true though, because like a real life example, Drake's mansion got shot up yesterday and his security guard got shot. Is probably because potentially a West Coast or Kendrick Lamar fan now hates Drake because Kendrick called him a certified pedophile. And you know how people think about those type of people. A lot of those type of people in the minds of many shouldn't even be living because they're the worst people on the planet, harming children. So, but are the allegations true? And there's a thin line, and that's where things get complicated. You know what I mean? What if it's just an allegation, but now the whole world believes it because of that track is fire? And now people start to assume Drake is, the worst person on the planet. I don't know if it's true or not. It's not my allegation. This is Kendrick Lamar. But that's why things get very tricky. So Drake ultimately called out Kendrick for being a wife beater. I don't know if that's true either. You don't know the other side of the story. What do we know? We're not personal friends with these people. But so Kendrick responded to that part of the beef and said, well, you're a certified pedophile. Take that. Whap, 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 dot, mup. Yeah, the rest is history. Salam family, Bitcoin to 32,000, still in play because the Saudis want it. Then it'll be the Allah candle, 125 guarantee. Well, because you guaranteed it, we're going to send it. Thank you, Muhammad. I don't know about the first part, but the second part, consider it a done deal. Full send, Nelk style. Crazy story, Drake's bodyguard. I know, it's sad. Sad. You don't want to see anybody get hurt, injured, shot. But that's why these artists have bodyguards. I would imagine Drake has a dozen bodyguards. You know what I mean? Long live JV and Rat. Cheers, Molly. Thank you. JV, turn the lights on. You want the lights on? Where the lights on? Turn them off. Here we go. Boom. All I got to say to that.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 They not like us.
That punchline will be remembered in hip hop forever. And anytime someone hears it, they're going to associate Drake, P-E-D-O. Sucks for Drake. But then again, do I feel sorry for Drake, the most successful rapper ever? Sold more records than anybody else ever exists. Been number one for 15 years. No, I don't feel sorry for him. Is what it is. Comes with the territory. That's part of being the king of hip hop or competing for the throne. So, you know what I mean? No one said being a king was going to be easy. It's time to see JV's friendly Bitcoiner. Time to see JV the friendly Bitcoiner. Word. Finish him. Yeah, that was Kendrick's finishing move, I think, that track. Drake got a pretty decent reply back. Some good bars. So I think Kendrick is going to respond again. Or do you think it's over? Let me know your thoughts. I am so off the grid, I don't even need a bodyguard. That said, I only miss because I want to. Yeah, typically, you only need bodyguards in this world. Typically, if you are either very influential or wealthy, because there's a lot of crazy people that just want to get around very influential or wealthy people and will drive you crazy. I could only imagine if you were like, you know, hypothetically speaking, you're an Elon Musk and you can't even go out in public without people bothering you. You can't go out to dinner without someone wanting a picture, your autograph. And it must get old, as cool as it sounds to somebody who is not an influencer. But I can tell you, from the little bit of influencer experience I've had in the past, as cool as it is, at the same time, you got to give these influencers their space, right? It's not so easy. Some people aren't cut from that cloth. You know what I mean? Different world. Are the Bears celebrating right now?
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Oh, so next time there's a troll. When we play Whack-A-Troll, Jennifer, that's the line. Because you hear what he said? Why you something like a troll? Aren't you tired? Just trying to strike a chord, but it's A minor. So we'll have to play that one for the trolls. We'll wop them from now on.
I'ma strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Yeah, so that's how we whack a troll for now on. We're going to whack them verbally with Kendrick. Thank you, Kendrick. And then Jennifer, Molly, K-Jam, the crew are going to permaban them. Eat mangoes. There you go. We go lower to get higher. I like that, Jay Bello. Welcome. He is the Nippinator. Sorry, I didn't move his bed to be in the... Oh, there he is, though. You can still see his cute little face through the mirror. The Bears are keeping it down right now. They'll get wrecked. Wreck City. Can you say Wreck City? Why do you troll like a what? Biddy gods. Exactly. It's like, what'd you say? Hold up.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
All right, let's demonstrate in real time. Someone be a troll. Say something bad about me. Please, disrespect me. Somebody, quick. Something disrespectful. I'm going to read it out loud, and I'm going to disrespect myself as if I'm roasting myself. And we're going to see how we're going to react moving forward. Tom Lee's timeline for 150 is this year. His base case is this year. We just covered that story. Ali. So he says 150 this year, base case, which means his low. Bear market. No, diss JV. I need a real diss. Yo mama what? Troll JV hard, please. JV loves fiat, Mankey? What?
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Oh, that's where Jennifer said it earlier. That's correct. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Trolls are going to be getting dissed so hard. Oh, shit. It's like the perfect bar for a troll. It mentions troll, and then it's accusing them of being, oh, my God. This is brilliant.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
One more example. McLovin says, JV, enough with the clickbait thumbnails. What you say, McLovin? What?
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
I might have to replace the dot part and get like a JV in the sample. So it's like JV, F 'em up.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Trying to strike a chord, but it's
probably A minor.
JV is short like a dork. You can't short your dork. You can't afford that. Crypto to zero. They really thought that. Crypto news. What do you think? I'm not going to do that sample no more. I don't want to overdo it. But yeah, moving forward, whenever there's a troll, I get to read the trolling. So they're going to appreciate that. And then they get wop, 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 wop. And then they get disrespected. This is a genius. Man, thank you, Kendrick. Definitely not like us. Definitely not like us. Psst, I see dead people.
Had the people on my back to get a song. Where's broke? Have a talk. We smoke.
Oh, my bad. Psst, I see unalived people.
Them like a bomb. Oh yeah, we heard Kramer report that. He said, we bought more back till we got a sword back.
You can't short your dork. You can't afford that. JV, what's the work life of a typical man in China? 16 hours normal? It all depends, broski. I mean, there's probably people working 20-hour days. There's people working 4-hour days and everything in between. And then the very wealthy that don't work and run businesses. So, yeah, 1.5 billion people, everything in between. I hate too much fun here. Don't let them talk true you. JV is a total intellectual today. Wop, 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 wop. I'm disrespecting myself. I'm 100% Italian. Am I calling myself a wop when I play that? Shit. Talk about double entendre. Damn it.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Yeah. Chinese factory workers. Yeah. Like, for example, Apple products are assembled in China. Are they not? And I would assume Nike and every major brand has some sort of factory in China where there's probably slaves, unfortunately, work slaves, and all that stuff. But that's not even the tip of the iceberg. There's things in China going on to the people that I can't even express on the tube. You know what I mean? It's bad. The word is womp, womp, womp. He says wop, wop, wop. Guinea wop. Dude, we don't need an hour of the same song.
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. What?
How you like those apples? I'm in the driver's seat here, dog. I'm the one in control. Just saying. Anyways, yo, any other comments or questions or anything you want to share, let me know. I'll stick around for a few more minutes. Then we're going to end the stream, and I'll be back 11 p.m. with the premiere. And shout out to the Rumble fam. No exclusive, uncensored Rumble show. However, next week when we get back to my normal routine, we'll get back to that. So I appreciate it. Oh, trolls. Question, is there a bigger con artist in crypto than Charles Hoskinson? I really try not to hate on crypto folks and CEOs and stuff like that. I'm obviously not a fan of his or his project, but I don't like putting people down unless they specifically put Bitcoin down, and therefore I could put Charles Hoskinson down because he puts down the orange pill moon, boys. But I'll leave it at that. To each their own. But according to Max Kaiser, he'll end up in prison like the rest of them. I hope not. I don't like seeing people in prison unless they purposely ruin people's lives, such as like a Bankman-Fried. But I mean, it is what it is. Exactly, Queenie. Exactly. Cardano one step away from BitConnect. You keep doing you, dog. Ignore the trolls. Thank you, Coos Dog. I actually welcome the trolls now because I got the perfect soundbite for it. So you want to troll, go ahead. You'll get double whacked because you're going to get whacked verbally and onslaughted. And you know what I mean? Hit with that punchline, and then you're going to get double whacked by the mods, and you'll never be able to come back again. So who got the last laugh now? Ha We got your back. Thank you, Coos Dog. Don't ever listen to YouTubers and use what they say. Exactly, Bitcoin Mania, precisely. China factory wages increased 20x since 2021 or 2001. It's no longer low cost. Garments are moving to Bangladesh. Oh, wow, I didn't know that. And Thailand and India. Interesting. Very interesting. Hi from Bangkok. Oh, for real. That's right. You're in Thailand, yo. One of my good friends, shout out. He's not in Bangkok right now. He's actually in Bali. But shout out Bangkok. I am a fan. I had a great time there. Looking forward to my next visit. Never thought stealing from the rich could be this fun. Thanks, fam. What do you mean by that? What rich are we stealing from? Whack-a-troll is fun. I know. Jennifer created the game here as the mod. JV, F the haters. Wop, 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 wop. J, F 'em up. You think Sol will flip ETH? Market cap? I don't think so. Don't do it, JV. Take your finger off the button. Not the red button. The red button? Never. Don't tempt me. My mean face.
You trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor.
Those rich are not like us. Oh, facts. The rich.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Fiat savers.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. Stack sats, so the rich can't buy them. There you go. Exactly. We got to front run the rich. Let's make it extremely expensive for them to touch the biddy. For Christ's sake. BlackRock should have never been able to buy the biddy under 50,000. It's your fault for not stacking the sats. We could have raised the price on them to $10 billion per coin. They're still going to buy them. They need them. Maybe. But you know they have a diabolical evil plan. You do recognize BlackRock are not good people, right? You recognize that. So hopefully you guys understand that. You don't want BlackRock owning a large portion of the Bitcoin supply because they may just hand them over to the government. I saw the government got 2% of all the biddies. With BlackRock, make that 3.5%. Robinhood was the OG. Do you need to trade that Brooklyn jersey for Knicks one? I do need a Knicks jersey. What player? I'm gonna order a jersey. I'll order a couple. I want to get the new Kyrie Irving jersey from Dallas because 11 is, you know what I mean, my number. I like to get Kyrie in every team I can, and I need a Knicks jersey just to be like, yo, rep the Knicks. So who are the top 3 players I can choose from? Let me know. And if there's a number 11, I'm more inclined to get that jersey. Just FYI, is what it is. Or I may have to do a custom like JV jersey. You know, you can customize them as well. Like I have some jerseys just have my last name on them. Number 11. Pretty cool. Sol may flip ETH already in the cycle due to the meme hype. I understand. Are you referring like market cap wise or price wise or JV? I wish more people adopted Bitcoin already so the big financial institution gets. I know. That's the one downside, bro. 11 is Brunson. Is he a good player? You guys respect him? I won't get laughed at if I wear the jersey. I'm assuming he's a badass because it's 11. 11 is the best player in the Knicks. Yes, Jalen Brunson. Thank you. Now, what jersey will look flyer on JV? Home or away? Let me know. I'm going to order one. What does that say? Diviniceno? What does that mean? Diviniceno? Divinenzo. Oh, word? I don't know what that means. It looks Italian. Are you referring to like an Enzo Rari? Love Brunson. Good. Your last name is 11? I wish. That'd be pretty cool. Always go with Iverson, JV, number 11. Well, unfortunately, Iverson was typically number 3. May have been 6 at a time in his career. I don't remember. But all my Iverson throwbacks are number 3, like my Georgetown throwback and the Sixers throwback. So obviously he can't be number 11 unless you did something custom. 6'2", Luka. One of the best in the NBA now. Badass. My comment got censored. So sad. Oh, curious. What do you think triggered it, Jennifer? Obviously you can't say the word. Get both jerseys, like home and away. Well, I'm thinking I want to get the Dallas Mavs, Kyrie Irving, show my appreciation for Kyrie. I am a fan of his. Hence why I have 6 or so Kyrie jerseys already from different teams. But I want to get the Mavs and the Knicks. Those are the next 2 on the agenda. Brunson is a floor general that can score. Word. A floor general. Interesting. Jalen Brunson is a beast, so no one scored 40 points consequent since Michael Jordan. Whoa, for real. Now you got me hyped up to rock it with respect. IA was 3, all-time great. Yeah. When I was a kid, I think middle school, I was a Georgetown fan somehow, some way. And I came across Allen Iverson, and I got hooked. And he's been my favorite since I was a child, like middle school child, like 4th grade, like very young. And then, of course, he went to the NBA, dominated, that crossover, broke so many people's ankles. Now he's a legend. You know what I mean? I said something about the government. Yeah, unfortunately, you may be on that same list JV is on. But you know what?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
You know what I mean? Not surprised they think that. Word. Why doesn't China have a baseball team? They ate all their bats. Ooh, low blow. Whew, that's kind of funny. Oh, man. Wow, that's horrible. This country is... What is that? The country is lost. Our country is lost, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Just thought of it. Pretty hilarious. I'll never forget JV shirtless. Sorry, hubby. Oh, my husband talk about good-looking people together. Thank you. When did I go shirtless? Oh, you must have caught me on when I was doing the pump watches over those 12-hour pump watches. And then in the morning or in the afternoon, I must have woke up. I don't have a shirt on, obviously, when I wake up. Happy I must have had pants on or you'd be laughing and pointing at me. But it must have been one of those days where I come in and end the stream and I just don't have a shirt on. Was that it? I don't remember doing an actual pod with no shirt, so that's why I asked. YouTube did it. They don't like people talking smack about the government. That's sad. Europe is lost. I want to be JV's list. They not like us. They not like us. I'll put you on my list, Devon. I got you. No, maybe you don't want to be on this list, yo. This is not the list you want your name on. So Jalen Brunson is one of 3 players from the Knicks that attended Villanova. Oh, word. Now they play crazy together. That's what's up. I recall watching Villanova games back as a kid as well. United States of the Biddies. There we go. That's more like it. So it was a pump watch. Confirmed. Thank you, Molly. JV thought he was still logged into the OnlyFans. I know. I got tricked. You want to support me, though, for real? Join me on OnlyFans. That'd be funny. Sick of the Kendrick. Unsubbing. To each their own, Leonard. To each their own. But I appreciate the feedback. But at the same time, don't tempt me.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
It's true, though. JB, when's the next... We got to get some positive price action. I don't feel like doing the BTFD watch. A part of me will be excited, and the other side will just be like, I don't know. Wow, 60,900. We'll see if 60 holds. More than likely, when we can get back above 70, pump watches will be our thing, riding it up. Don't do it, JV. Take your finger off the buttons. Thank you. Miss you too. Dankness. Oh, man. They not like us. They not like us. Also unsubbed for Kendrick. Must be some Drake fans in the house. Sorry. I know Drake's more popular, but teach their own.
Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
Is what it is. Man, everything looks so bad. But anyways, fam, we're going to call it a night. It's pitch dark here now, yo. Literally. Turn the light off, see what it looked like. There we go. Yeah, it's pitch dark. This is just basically my screen light. You can see huge screen lights me up, but that's why Nip is all dark. And that's why the footage is grainy, pitch dark here in Puerto Rico, usually by 7. So, but anyways, fam, greatly appreciate y'all. And I had a blast. And I'm glad I was able to make it. My apologies for being a couple of hours late to my own party, but we still got the stream out. Much respect. Buy that freaking dip. And what was I going to say? Don't forget, 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Eastern this evening, we'll do the premiere. Appreciate the support. You guys are amazing. You guys are my family. I truly mean that. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Da-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only JV, mother.
Can't short your dork, we can't afford that. Wait for the pump to come, we should have bought that. Crypto to 0, they really thought that.
Haha. You can call me 3AC because we blowing it up. Deuces, fam. See you soon.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably a mine.